You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. For more confusing names pronunciation, stay tuned. We've got tons coming up. This is an interesting one because it's got a different pronunciation in German and in English. It comes from German. Goetz is the German pronunciation, Goetz. English pronunciation, Goetz. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.